hope you guys are doing great. Today is going to be day 3 of Vlogtober, and hopefully the lighting isn't too shifty in here. I've got my windows open today. The sun just came out, which is wonderful. I'm going to put my arm down here. I feel like after looking at the video content from yesterday that I was filming up my nose. Have I been away from this camera so long that I have forgotten how to vlog? Probably so. Well, you know, I was really praying that today we would have like 70-degree weather. It would be cool, but not too cold. But I think it's actually going to warm up. And the sun came out, but this morning we had very dense fog, and it really, really looked like a full-fledged fall day was happening. Now the sun has come out, and even though it is not super, super hot, and it says it's going to be 80 degrees, I really didn't want it to be in 80 degrees. I bought this really pretty pumpkin-colored, it's not really a heavy sweatshirt, it's kind of light, and I was going to wear it today because I'm trying to be fallish, because we're going to the Pumpkin Festival today in Milton, West Virginia, and I have never been, so I have no idea what to expect. Today's the first day that they open. I have never been, but I thought I would take you guys along with me. My hair's doing some kind of weird thing. My hair is long enough, look at this, that I can wear it up on my head. Can you believe that? I think I cut it 4 months ago, and I've not cut it since. My gray needs to be taken care of. Yes, I know. Whatever. It is what it is. I am a woman that is slowly creeping into 50 years old, and I am a grandmother. So gray hair is just there. It's just there. And I'm so busy that sometimes I get mad when I have to go to the bathroom. I have gotten to that point where I'm like, I don't have time to go to the bathroom. I don't have time. You know, I can't be bothered. But, you know, when you got to go, you got to go. But still, it's like, I'm just trying to keep up around here and to do all the things. So today we're going to Pumpkin Fest. I'm super excited. If you have never been to Milton, West Virginia, it is, in my opinion, I don't know much about Milton, like, per se, but it is known for the glass company that is there. They do all this really, really pretty, like, blown glass, and it's colored, and it is very pricey, but it is very, very pretty. They have some stuff in there that is not as expensive as other things, so you can buy a few trinkets to have from there. I think it's called Blinko glass. Anyhow, yeah, so if I can find something online, and you are interested in that kind of thing, I will link it down below in the description box. I'm sure you can, because they do tours, they do all kinds of things, and it is really pretty to go see at least once. I have been over there twice. No, have I been there 3 times? I think I've been there. I'm thinking that I can't remember. I went with a friend of mine. I went with my neighbor, and I don't know if my mom and dad went over there. I think that they did. I think I took my parents went over there when they were in town. But anyhow, it's been forever since I've been over that way. I don't think I'm going to go to the glass place today, but I'm just telling you what Milton is known for. It's also known for a big giant flea market that they do on the weekends, and there's a big billboard when you come in to this area that advertises it. It is really popular. And I'm not sure, but I think the Pumpkin Festival is there in the vicinity of the flea market. I'm not sure. I've never been. So I'm taking you guys along with me for the first time to go to the Pumpkin Festival. So come on, let's go. you go.
Different rocks and whatnot.
Oh yeah. Well, what do you see, sweetheart?
You want to pet a horse?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Come around. There you go.
It won't hurt you.
A horse. Yeah, he looked away. Hang on, he's coming back around. There you go.
Hi. Oh. Hi there. Hi, sweetie. How are you?
He's a big old horsey, isn't he?
I don't have any food, sweetie. I don't have any food. Sorry.
Oh.
Hi. Oh. Can you buy food for him? Or? Hey. It's good tempered. Usually they're not so good tempered.
Yeah. Got a pony right below him.
Hi. Can he touch it?
Be nice. Can he touch one of them to see how big they are? Okay. Come here, buddy. This is one of the first places.
Oh my.
That's a whole lot of pies. Ain't it?
You'll have enough, do you, for Fort Gay? First place was from Lewisburg.
Oh really? The first pumpkin we seen?
Yep. And then the third place one on the other side's from Fort Gay.
What's the first place?
Over
Oh,
here.
this one here.
Yeah. That's from Lewisburg.
I'll get you a bowl.
Next one is for sale. It's number 12. It's French Rose.
That's pretty.
If you want, I can read little quotes. There's little quotes next to each one of these, but number 13
What is this one?
it's called Cafe Railroad Tracks. My mom picked out the cafe fabrics pattern. I thought I would enjoy making a bright colored quilt. Number 14 is Scrappy Fan. I kind of like that.
That's
Says, I'm
neat.
submitting this quilt for my mom. She doesn't think it's good enough to show, but I think it's beautiful. This was made from scraps of her clothes. Next you got
Hi guys, I am home. I have sweated probably every bit of makeup off my face today. I've taken all my jewelry off. That's why I don't have any earrings in. Whew. We did an awful lot of walking today, and it was so much fun. So much fun. I came home with apple butter and some dark honey. And let's see, my favorite thing in the world was the pumpkin ice cream today. It was so delicious. We just had a really good time. And it is late and it's dark outside. We walked a ton today, a ton. But they had all kinds of vendors there, all kinds of things to look at, crafts, food. They had good music. Pumpkins, and I did not want to walk that far with a pumpkin, although I was tempted to buy a pie pumpkin while I was there, but I did not want to walk that far holding a pumpkin. Everything that Danny had bought and everything that I had purchased, I put, good thing I had a backpack and I carried it on my back. Ronnie and Danny ate at they have like, it's like a food truck, but they have like, they sell like peppers and onions and steak and potatoes, and they put it in like this big container and it come with a drink. That's what they ate for dinner. I was too hot to really focus on eating. I did get a lemonade. It was really, really good. Really just really wanted the cold stuff because I was so hot. I was so hot. I had on like a really thin thing that I wore today that had pumpkin colors in it. I ended up taking that off. It was hot. And I'm surprised I'm looking in the viewfinder and I'm surprised I have as much makeup on as I do because I'm telling you, I felt like I sweated to death in there. It was really warm today, but usually when they have the pumpkin festival, usually it is rainy and muddy and it is colder, but today was really nice. It was a good day. I had a really good day. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this video for Vlogtober. I hope y'all are doing well. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button because I would love to have you a part of Heidi's home. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed seeing this footage, and I will see you all tomorrow. Good night, guys.